Hello everyone. So here I am taking a question from integration. So this is one very interesting question from integration. I'll suggest you pause this video, try this question. We have to integrate 0 to 1 sine of ln x upon ln x, right? आपको इसका इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करना है, ठीक है? एक बार आप सॉल्व करो एंड देन यू गो थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस, ठीक है? I am there can be different solutions for this. I am giving you a very different approach to solve this. कैसे आप कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स को यूज करके इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो, ठीक है? दिस इज नॉट ए कन्वेंशनल अप्रोच टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. थोड़ा सा इसमें ट्रिकी पार्ट जो है वो आपको यहाँ पे समझना है, ठीक है? सो लेट्स से वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इंटीग्रेशन. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड साइन ऑफ ln x अपॉन ln x. इसका आपको इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करना है, ठीक है? तो नाउ सी इफ आई जस्ट पुट साइन ln x. हमने स्टार्ट किया लेट्स से ln x. दिस इज अच्छा ln x के बाद में देखते हैं. आप ऐसा सोचो, लेट्स से आई कंसिडर एन इंटीग्रेशन as a function of t, it, which is integral 0 to 1 sine of t ln x divided by ln x dx. You have to find this integral, correct? Let's say you have this integral. अब अगर t equal to 1 होगा तो you can see we have our integral. तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? For us, we are interested in finding I1. What is the value of I1? That is the question is, right? So just see here, भाई इफ आई डिफरेंशिएट दिस, ये तो समझ में आता है कि देखो ये जो भी आएगा इसका इंटीग्रेशन दैट विल बी अ फंक्शन ऑफ टी, बिकॉज आप लिमिट किस पे पुट कर दोगे? एक्स पे पुट कर दोगे. तो इफ आई डिफरेंशिएट दिस, इसको अगर हमने डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया विद रेस्पेक्ट टू टी, डिफरेंशिएट दिस फंक्शन आई टी विद रेस्पेक्ट टू टी, तो दिस विल बी, यू कैन सी दिस इज 0 to 1. इसका डिफरेंशिएट करोगे, दिस इज कॉस ऑफ टी ln x इनटू चेन रूल, टी ln x का डेरिवेटिव ln x अपॉन ln x, ठीक है? वी आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रेस्पेक्ट टू t, ठीक है? हमने t के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया. तो यहाँ से यू कैन सी दिस विल बी कैंसिल. सो वी हैव गॉट व्हाट इज i डैश t. वी हैव गॉट i डैश t, मतलब डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस फंक्शन i डैश, दैट इज इंटीग्रल 0 to 1 cos ऑफ t ln x dx. अब हाउ विल यू इंटीग्रेट दिस? अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. तो यहाँ पे देखो कैसे हम इसको अप्रोच कर रहे हैं. वी हैव गॉट व्हाट इज आई डैश टी. दिस इज इंटीग्रल 0 to 1. दिस इज cos ऑफ टी ln x dx. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव, राइट? So you can see here, we know what is cos theta. Cos theta is e raised to iota theta plus e raised to minus iota theta divided by 2, correct? Complex numbers में this we have done. Cos theta plus iota sin theta. This is cos theta minus iota sin theta. Divide करेंगे, you'll get this, right? So can I say this integral is integral 0 to 1? I can say this is e raised to, अब यहाँ पे what is theta? Theta is t ln x. This is e raised to t iota t ln x plus e raised to minus iota t ln x divide by 2 dx. This is the integration we have. What is theta? Theta is t ln x. So हमने substitute कर दिया. Now see here, we know the property that if you have e raised to ln x, this will become x, correct? This is the property of log. If this base and this base are same, मतलब we know the standard property. This is a raised to log b base a. This is equal to b. This is what we know, right? So can I say this integral is integral 0 to 1. This I can say this iota will go here, okay? Iota t will go here, so this will become x raised to iota t minus this is plus x raised to minus iota t. What I have done is I have taken this thing on the power and I have taken this thing on the power, right? Basic properties of log we are using, upon 2 dx. So now you can see this is, I can write 1 by 2. Now what is the integration of x? This is iota t. So this is we are integrating with respect to x. So this is iota t will be constant for this integral. तो अगर आप x पर इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, this will become x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, right? This is plus x raised to minus iota t plus 1 upon minus iota t plus 1. So what we have done is we have taken x raised to n. What is the integration of x raised to n? This is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and the limits will be 0 to 1, correct? So you can see here we have got this is equal to 1 by 2. If I put the limits here, you can see this is 1 by this is equal to 1 upon iota t plus 1, and this is plus 1 upon 1 minus iota t, and 0 by it will be equal to 0. So if I simplify this you can see, if I take LCM, you will find this is 1 upon, it will become 2 will be cancelled. This is 2 upon 1 plus t square. I hope this is clear, correct? If you take LCM, this is 1 plus iota t square, 1 minus iota t square will become 1 plus iota t square. So what is this? This is I dash t. So you can see here we have got what is I dash t. So I'll just go to the previous page. This is, we have got I dash t. This is 1 upon 1 plus t square, correct? Now if this is I dash t, what is I t? You can clearly see this is tan inverse t plus c, correct? Now what is this constant of integration? You can easily find, because we know, you can clearly see from this that if I find I 0, this will be equal to 0, because if I put I t equal to 0, this will become sin 0, which will become 0, and you can see this is 0. So if I 0 is 0, you can see this I t will be equal to tan inverse t, because I t is equal to 0. I hope this is clear. So what is I t? This is equal to tan inverse, correct? Now the final question is, you have to find I1, because you have to find this integral. So what is I1? I1 is basically, this is tan inverse 1. What is tan inverse 1? This is pi by 4. So what is the answer for this question? This is pi by 4. So this is how you can easily solve this question. So this is not a conventional question. If you are preparing for JEE Advanced, this is not this is not expected कि आपको इस type of questions मिलेंगे, but still you should know this type of tricks, ठीक है? How we use this complex number and how we use this derivative of an integration, okay? So I hope this is clear. So that's it for this question. Thank you. Bye bye.